Hello everybody. For today's assignment, we'll be working on some vocabulary. Hopefully you've made your Quizlet login that's tied to your class period. If you make sure that you have both your first and last names as part of your name so that we can give you credit. If you may have made one in the past and see that you have gotten removed because you didn't include your first and last name, just go ahead and make it again. To include your first and last name, and that way we can make sure you get your points. So you should have a period folder with a couple of vocabularies in there. We're working with Doppler effect right now. We've done a few assignments on it, but we want to look at these vocabulary words a little more specifically. So go to Doppler effect, and today we'll be doing a few activities. We'll be doing flashcards, learn, write, and spell. And you can do these in any order you'd like, but just try to do at least these four activities, okay, for Doppler shift. So flashcards, let me walk you through it a little bit. Flashcards will show up with a definition, a picture, and then you want to think about what is it? What is that word? Try to think of the answer in your head, and then click on it and test yourself out. If you're right, go ahead and move on. If you feel like you're not confident with it, maybe star it, and then it'll study. You can kind of emphasize that one later. And you can advance to the next cards. You can also shuffle the cards so they come in random order, and then you can also play the cards. But just go through your deck a few times till you feel comfortable, and then you have these other activities too: the learn, the write. Learn and write, I think, are a little bit harder ones. So you go to those ones, and it's for learn. It's going to give you a definition and a picture, and then you want to type in the correct answer for the definition. So this one I think is sound waves, and then I'll push answer and correct. So it said I got it correct. So if you get it correct, it just moves on. If you get it incorrect, it'll show you. It's going to show you like how well you're doing over here. Okay. So just go through those go through them at least once or twice on the learn section, and then come back. We get the write part. So the right one, it's going to very similar to that. It's going to give you the definition and a picture, and then you want to type in the answer for the word, and it'll tell you how many you get correct, how many you get incorrect, and how many you have left. So work through those as well. And then lastly for tomorrow, work on the spelling part, and it's going to tell you push this sound right here, and it'll say the sound of the word, and then you just want to type in like what you heard. Here's the definition of it too. So go ahead and I heard Doppler shift, and so let's try that. And push enter, correct. Okay, and just work your way through the cards for this one too. Let me know if you have any questions tomorrow, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.